Welcome to my channel. Today I am introducing another educational course. This course is suitable for students and beginners in 3D design who want to learn Fusion 360 from basic to advanced level. It is also useful for engineers, industrial designers, and enthusiasts of mechanical modeling. Those who want to build portfolios, take official Fusion 360 certification exams, or showcase their projects online will benefit the most from this course. This course has more than 2,500 students and a rating of 4.4, making it a successful and practical program. The current price of the course is around €12. By purchasing this course, you can have full access to it and also benefit from future updates. The total duration of the course is 5 hours, and after completion, you will receive a certificate. In this course you will learn how to get Fusion 360 for personal and educational usage for free. 2D sketching, basic to advanced tools, pattern making, canvas tool. 3D modeling, basic to advanced tools, miscellaneous tools, pattern making, sweep, loft, revolve, emboss. Rendering, applying appearance, physical material, decals, realistic images. Component assembly, components, joints, contacts, model animation, Geneva mechanism. Interesting designs, hex nut, Lego brick, ball bearing, lampshade. How to become a Fusion 360 certified user. Using GrabCAD, Autodesk Online Gallery and SketchFab to showcase your skills. Now, I want to give you access to this amazing course completely free and 100% legal. To see how this works, first subscribe to the channel and add this video to your watch list. Now just open your browser and in the Google search engine type discountedcourseninja.com. From the results shown, click on the link. Make sure the website address is the same as the one shown here, and you will be redirected to discountedcourseninja.com. After clicking the link, you will be taken to the homepage of the site. On this site, you can access different discount coupons for courses. You can search for the desired course in the search bar. You can also use the categories section to find the subjects you are interested in. Here you will find the course we are looking for. Now to get the discount coupon for this course, scroll down and click on the Get the Coupon button. The course will now be available for you completely free. Please note that coupons are time limited. That's it. With just a few clicks, you got free and legal access to the course. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.